In today's video, I'll show you how to name and use tags in ActiveCampaign so you can keep your contacts organized and build cleaner marketing automations. Think of tags as digital labels attached to contact profiles. You can use them to identify where a contact came from, what they're interested in, what they've purchased, or what action they've taken. First, let's talk about naming your tags. A good approach is to use a category followed by a colon and a specific value. For example, you could use source Facebook, product ebook, or purchase course. Keeping a consistent naming structure makes your tags much easier to search, understand, and manage as your account grows. It's also a good idea to avoid unnecessary special characters or emojis, especially if your tags will be used with third-party integrations. Remember that tags are essentially binary. A contact either has a tag or doesn't have it. If you need to store detailed information, such as a birthday, job title, or a specific date, a custom field is usually more appropriate. Now let's look at how you can use tags. First, tags can help you segment contacts. For example, you can create an audience of contacts who have a specific interest or have purchased a particular product. You can also use tags as automation triggers. When a specific tag is added to a contact, it can start an automated workflow. Inside an automation, tags can also be used with if-else conditions to send contacts down different paths based on whether they have a particular tag. You can even use tags with conditional content to show different information to different contacts within the same email. Finally, regularly review your tags and remove temporary ones that you no longer need. A clean tagging system makes your ActiveCampaign account much easier to manage. And that's how you name and use ActiveCampaign tags. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.